talaga itong possession na ito. Pasa sa sulok. Sisipa dito kay Jeff Tran, who finally scores plus the foul. Ito na. Alam mga pas, nararamdaman talaga. Only a 2-point ball game. Pero hindi pa po tapos ang play na yan sapagkat may bonus free throw pa itong si Jeff Chan matapos itong timeout na ito ng Meralco.
Here's Barakel. Oh, nice. And he scores! Konting bawi lang ni Mac Barakel doon. Several players down. Now it's Mac Barakel's turn. But Mick Benisi.
In the lane, gets it out to Kagiwa.
You can see Doug adjusting. Ngayon malayo pa lang tinutulak niya ng palayo.
The Furious versus the Fearless. Bam! Nilamon ni Mark and Silo. RJ, eto na.
It's one-on-one. First, it's Mark Kagiwa. Iwan si Ronald Tubit. That's a 3. But you know what? Ronald, I think safe to say that Mark Kagiwa is healthy once again.
Millsap to Tubit. Gustong bumawi. Crossover din ang ginamit. Long to lang para dito kay Tubit, but just as pretty.
Tubit, not a slouch himself. Crossover, enough space. 1 point each.
Very, very nice.
Now for Meralco in terms of trying to match up against San Miguel.
Barong Atuya. Dillinger on top of him. James attacking, creates that space. The step back, it's good.
It's one thing to create space, but how long did he have that space?
That was move 7,455 of his million in his arsenal.
If Petron wins, we'll have a game 7. And Lassiter gets rid of James and knocks it down.
Millsap is blocked on the floor by Fajardo, Cabagnot, Tubid, and Santos. Naiwan. Ito si Millsap kay Blakely. Vigorous with the reverse, and we are tied at 5.
Nice crossover right here. Also, you got to credit also the floor there. Teams like Mexicano. But look at Mark Pingris. At that size, still the athletic ability to take it to the other side.
Blakely with that leather gets it over the Yak. Less than 5.5 remaining in the third. James step back jumper.
Beauty.
Right over. A tumbling John Wilson. Si Wilson. Ito yun, no? James Yap using that crossover step back. Deer in headlights dun si Wilson.
Washington with 22 points. And he ties the game at 73. 3 minutes remaining in the third. Ooh, ankle breaker move! LA Tenorio with a separation in the basket. This is the point guard spot. That's what's happening tonight between Sol Mercado and LA Tenorio. Whoa! Whoa, double ankle breaker for Danny Siegel! Did you see that? Danny Siegel, but you can see, wow! Double ankle breaker! You don't see this every day. I think this is going to end up in ESPN America, for sure.